In the realm of bearings, lubrication is everything. It can be the difference between a high-performance machine and a premature failure. Now, grease-lubricated bearings, like your standard deep-groove ball bearings and roller bearings, usually need a relube every 3 months to a year. But of course, this can change based on your operating temperature and load. Oil-lubricated bearings need a bit more TLC. Depending on the oil type and application, you could be looking at oil changes from a few weeks to several months. And high-speed bearings? Well, they're the speed demons of the bearing world. More speed means more heat, and more heat means more frequent lubrication. Bearings in extreme conditions need extra care. High temperatures, corrosive environments, heavy contamination, all of these can shorten your lubrication intervals. Then we have the lifetime lubricated bearings. These guys come pre-lubricated and sealed. No specific relubrication interval needed here. Automated lubrication systems are a godsend in many industrial applications, delivering lubricant at regular intervals. But remember, no matter the bearing or lubrication method, regular monitoring is key. Inspections, vibration analysis, oil or grease analysis, all of these can help determine when relubrication is necessary. Always consult your bearing manufacturer's recommendations and follow industry standards to ensure your bearings get the right amount of lubrication at the right time to maximize their lifespan and performance.